Hello everyone. For rent apartment, 3 rooms, 3 toilets, a 2 bedroom. For rent apartment in Kocaeli with a full sea view. This side is seaside and landscape view, city view. Also there is pool view, swimming pool. And this side is car parking lot. The apartment is useful. 3 rooms, 3 toilets, 2 bedroom. This side is the balcony with full view. And now I am going to entrance of the apartment. This is the entrance of the apartment. There is also elevator and the entrance of the apartment, and the left side there is one toilet. This side is the kitchen and large and useful. Also kitchen has balcony which has a nice beautiful view. The apartment is 160 square meter. This is the living room. The living room is ceramic floor and the view is very nice, pool view. Also this side is sea view. This is the balcony. This side is bedroom. The apartment is 3 rooms, 3 toilets. This is the second room. This is the bathroom. This is the master room. And the master room has also dressing room. This side is dressing room and useful apartment. This is the master bed. For more detail you can contact with SELİM TANIŞ. Have a nice day to everyone.